channel. I am doing part 2 of my favorites from my Best in Beauty for 2017. I'm doing eyeshadows, brow products, mascara, and lip stuff. So I didn't do everything in that video. And if you hear the door back over there, it's because of the wind, and you're just gonna hear it. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna start with palettes. I have 2 palettes that really stood out to me, and these are still accessible, I should say, to people to buy. Some of the palettes that I have, you cannot buy no more, and they're limited edition, so I'm not gonna really talk about them. But these 2, this one came out last year, a couple months ago. This is the Naked Heat palette, and I actually really like this palette. I did pay full price for this, and I would probably buy it again. These shades that I really, really like are probably about from like here over, all the lighter shades. The darker shades are okay. This one's really pretty, but I prefer like about here over. I like these shades, and I really, really like this one, which is called Ounce. And Chaser and Sauced are really great, like a simple eye look. You can easily do that with these 3 shades. And this is a really pretty shade that's called Lumber. It's like a really, really, I've used quite a bit of it. I don't know if you can, like, it's a warm shade, I know. I guess everybody's kind of over warm tones, but I didn't have any palettes in my collection that had warm tones in it because I didn't get the Anastasia palettes. I don't like their palettes. I prefer Urban Decay, so yeah, this is one I chose and I really like it. The other one is, I got this for Christmas last year, no, the year before that. So I've had it for the whole year. And this is the Chocolate Bar palette from Too Faced. I absolutely love this. Not only does it smell like chocolate, I mean, really, what else can you like about that? I'm not a big Too Faced fan. I mean, seriously, for this to make it in my Best of Beauty, you gotta know I really like it. I don't like Too Faced. This is the only palette that I've actually liked. I've tried several of their palettes. I don't like their eyeshadows that much, but if they made all their palettes like this, I probably would like them. But the shade I've hit pan on is Marzipan, and I love Cream Brulee. As you know, if you watch my channel long enough, you know I like the shimmery shades. That's usually what I use up first. And I actually just like the whole palette in general. I've used almost all of these eyeshadows, and I definitely would repurchase this once I use it all up. The other thing I really, really like, and I got this for my birthday about halfway through the year, is the Urban Decay palette that you can build, that you can hold 10 shadows in here. This is a pro palette. This is on their website. You can get this. I don't think you can get it anywhere else, just the Urban Decay website. I'm not sure, but it's like that, and it has all of my single eyeshadows in there, so that way I can reach for this and use all of them. I love all these shades. My favorite is Sin, Scratch, Midnight Cowboy, Ether, Solstice. I love Solstice. Grifter is another one of my favorites. Half Baked. I prefer Baked, but I got this one for my birthday. Or I don't even know how I got that one. I don't remember. Lounge is another absolutely must. Walk of Shame is another one I really like. And Rockstar. So all of these shadows that are in there are ones that I absolutely treasure and love. And I would definitely, if I had enough to fill another pro palette, I would buy this again and again, because they're all magnetized, so you can like actually stack them. So if you were a makeup artist, this is an awesome idea. If you have a lot of Urban Decay singles, this is another great idea. So anyways, absolutely love this. I don't really know that's a palette, but it works, whatever. Okay, some singles that really stood out to me was one of the L'Oreal Color Riche Pan Au Chocolate. These are very, very soft shadow, but this is a very pretty shade. I wouldn't buy any of the other shades. This is a very taupey brown color, if you can see right there. To me, this is a shade that I can put all over my lid, and like, it's perfect, like one and done. I would definitely purchase this again once I used it up. I really like, and a lot of these came out a bunch of singles like this, but this was the only one I really, really liked. And then also the L'Oreal Infallibles. I love these. There isn't a shade I don't like. I don't need them all, but I like them. This one here is Internal Sunshine, and I love Ice Latte, but I actually used up all of that last year, so I need a new one. And Amber Rush. These are just fabulous. Like, if you are a one shadow person, you don't want 1,500 shadows, you don't have time for that, These are one of those shadows that you can put on your eye and it literally transforms. And it like makes you look like you have several different, you know, eye looks going on. Eternal Sunshine is very light. I don't know if you can see that. I prefer the Ice Latte better for inner corner highlight, but Amber Rush is a definitely, oh my gosh, it's a repeat shade for me. Like I would, and it's definitely, for me, that's Amber, I don't know if you can see that, that's Amber Rush. I use my finger. I don't use a brush because honestly, I don't feel the need to, since it's a loose or pressed pigment, I don't think it works really well with a brush. If you want that shine and highlight, then I definitely would say use your finger. Okay, mascaras. The mascara that I absolutely love and will continue to purchase is the Super Sizer CoverGirl. I absolutely love this brush on this one. It's such a small brush. I have the smallest eyelashes in the entire world. So I need a brush that's going to grab them and pull them up because they stick out like this and then you can hardly ever see them. It's just a nightmare. So I've tried lots of mascaras and I have worn false lashes in the past, but haven't in a while. But I would purchase that one. And I do not like the fiber one. I tried it, I reviewed it on my channel. I can link it up in the iCard if you want to watch it, but I did not like the fiber one. This is unique without the fibers. This is their other one. It's called the Moonstruck Epic Mascara, and I actually do like this. I did get this from a rep here where I live. And I actually would purchase this again. It's 20 bucks for this one, which is kind of high, but I actually really like it, and I would probably purchase that again. It's not a fiber mascara. Okay, eyebrows. I don't have a lot of eyebrow products that I just really, really love. The only pomade I actually like is the e.l.f. pomade. This one is in light brown. It's the Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. I don't know why, but every time I buy it, the bottle kind of cracks. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. It's still good and it seals. I don't know. These are like $3. I absolutely love this if I want a really precise, perfect brow. The e.l.f. gel, eyebrow gel, if you've known me long enough, this is my favorite and I've used like probably 20 of these. And that's my newest one. Okay, brow pencils. The e.l.f. just makes really good brow products for cheap. Like, I'm not gonna spend a lot of money for my brows. Sorry, I'm just not a brow queen. But this is the e.l.f. brow pencil. I have tried the micro one from NYX. I hated that. Oh, that's just lovely. I threw my eyebrow pencil. Well, it looks like I'll be getting a new one. Anyways. I don't like the NYX micro brow. It is too small and I need something to be actually a little soft. So I prefer my brow products to be just a little softer than the NYX brow products. So this one is a little softer, but it's really, really good, and it also has a spoolie, and it's $2. I mean, really, how can you beat that? And then the Revlon one has a spoolie on the back too. It has a cover, but I've lost it. This is a Revlon Color Stay, and I don't even know what color this is. I got this to review. This is a soft brown. I think I would choose a different color, but it's a wind-up one, and I actually really like it. It's very soft, so if you don't like soft eyebrow pencils, you probably wouldn't like this, but I do like this one, so I would purchase that again. Okay, lipsticks. I cut my lipstick collection in half. I literally have like 12 lipsticks. I just was tired of having so many and I don't hardly ever wear them. So, liquid lipsticks, I literally have two kind. And actually I don't even know where my other shade is, but the Smashbox one is the only one that I like. This color is called Stepping Out. I have a second one. It's in my purse because I wore it the other day. This shade is absolutely fabulous and these don't go anywhere. Like, I know some people, like my best friend, she loves the Milani ones. Those things bled outside my lips. I mean, this, sincerely, does not go anywhere. That's the shade right there, and I love the nude shades. I don't think I would go get... They have a really great color range for this Smashbox liquid lipstick. So if you really like vibrant colors, they have that in this line. But I just like this one. I like the nudes. Okay, lipsticks. I love the Clinique Pop lipsticks. I have a little mini one. This one is in Melon Pop. When I made a purchase for Clinique, I actually got this free or whatever, which made me like the lipsticks even more. This kind of is, it's not matte, but it's also not shimmery. Sorry. My camera faces a street, so, and my windows are open. And then this one is called Bear Pop, and this is my absolute favorite. This is sort of a... Oh darn it, I don't want to break the lipstick. Like, I don't want to break the bullet. I would be so mad if I did. This is a very nudie lipstick right there. That's the shade. I really like this. Nudes are my colors. I kind of veer away from any other shades. Like, I only wear nudes now. The other one is 45 Rimmel lipstick. I absolutely love this. I've actually used quite a bit of this. And it's pretty close to that shade right there, that Bear Pop. So if you're looking for a dupe, this one's matte, this one's not. This one's kind of glossy. And this one's matte. I actually love this. And some people don't like the smell of the Rimmel lipsticks, but I do. I don't mind it. Okay, so I'm going to mention this lipstick in its limited edition. I'm sorry, but I just absolutely love this packaging, and I love this lipstick. It's called Shy Girl. It's from the Fruity collection of MAC. I don't have many MAC lipsticks, but I don't know if you can see. Man, that was not a good, here, hold on. That's the shade right there. So it's a very nude lipstick. I can maybe try to find a dupe, but I just love this lipstick. And the Urban Decay Naked is my absolute favorite. I actually used up a mini. This is the full size. This is the old packaging, but this is more of a pinky nude. I really like it. It's a great formulation, and it's just a great lipstick. Okay, so some of these stick lipsticks, I have a few of these left. I kept almost all of the stick ones from Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty, but I have two Revlon ones I actually really like. One is in HD Desert 710, and the other one is HD Sand. I really like these. They are great just to pop on and go out the door. They don't last forever, but I still like them. There's two shades right there, but I like these. Great lipsticks. And then the other two, what do they call it? Bite Beauty sticks. I got Tort, and I have a few other in my purse, but these are two I have up here, which are like a purple and a nudie shade, or actually that's not nude, that's more like a berry, but a light berry shade. That's that one right there. And then this is the dark purple shade right there. I like these. I have a full size in my bag. I have like 3 of these in my bag, just different shades. Alright guys, that is all of my eye products and lipsticks and mascara. I don't know if I mentioned that I like all of my setting sprays that I have, which is the MAC setting spray, the Wet n Wild setting spray, and the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love all those. Just FYI, if I didn't mention that in the last video, I don't remember. And I'm not going to go back and watch it because I just forgot. So anyways, those are all my favorites. Part 2, Best of Beauty for 2017, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!